WinMix. Recipe search, updated search. In this video, we will show you the updated search function in the Open Recipe dialog. Open the Open Recipe dialog. At the top of the window, you will find the search field. The search now works in filter mode. Any sequence you enter is searched across all visible columns. For example, if you enter a sequence present in the recipe name, you will see all recipes that contain that sequence in their name. If you enter a client name, you will see only the recipes that belong to that client. If you enter a sequence present in the price, you will see all recipes with that price. The same works for the recipe number. You can choose which columns are visible in the dialog. The search will then work only across those visible columns. For example, if you hide the version column, the entered sequence will no longer be searched in the version. To switch back to search mode without filtering, click the Search Mode button and select Search Without Filtering. This mode allows you to search without filtering the list, and includes additional options to adjust the search behavior.